cobblestone streets under my feet. Blue tiles gleam where the rivers meet. The Douro whispers secrets untold. A city alive in hues of gold. Lanterns flicker as the night unfolds. Port wine flows in stories bold. Through alleys narrow where dreams align. Porto's magic, a world divine.
City lights, Porto ignite. Dancing through the stars tonight. Every corner tells a tale. In the city we prevail.
Yeah.
Markets hum with life and cheer. Sal Bento's murals pulling us near. The sea breeze sings a melody. Porto's heart, a symphony.
Cruising down the River with the vibe so tight. Past the bridges where the city takes flight. Colors pop like a canvas scene. Porto dreams living in between. City lights, Porto ignite. Dancing through the stars tonight.
Every corner tells a tale. In the city we prevail.
Yeah. Make sure you hit subscribe and give it a like. Leave a comment as well if you have some insight. Share this video with all of your friends. Put it on loop to watch it again and again. The TMax makes some really awesome videos. Learn languages and culture everywhere he goes. His drone video showcase the world from above. With over 600 videos on his channel, I'm sure you love. Spent 3 years living in China and Beijing. He speaks Mandarin, which is quite amazing. He traveled around